case, the index n is equal to 2. So we will have a situation like this with n equal to 2. So backward indexing method, we sum k from 1 until k equal to 2. Product of reciprocals n minus this is a mistake. This is from n until 1. That is the backward indexing method. So I will start by, so if n is equal to 2, so I start by 2 until 1. Product of ratios, index 2 here. So from j equal to 1 until j equal to k minus 1. Okay. Factor of p sub n minus k, n minus k plus 1, 2 minus k plus 1 minus p bar equal to 0. Okay, so we no longer need this formula because we have written it properly here for the smallest indexing n, and this is what this formula, this diagram, this is what you want to prove. Okay, now in this case we are going to, this is equivalent to product of reciprocals. Now 2 minus j from j extending from 2 k equal to 2. So we start by j equal to 1 until j equal k equal to 2. We start by j equal to 2 minus 1 factor of 2 minus j p sub 2 minus first k equal to 2 plus 1 minus p bar. So we add product of reciprocals n minus j, n is 2, factor of p sub 2 minus k, 2 minus 1. This time k equal to 1. After that, after 2, then next is 1 plus 1. Okay, minus p sub p bar. Okay, now extending from 1 until j equal to k minus k is 1 minus 1. Okay, so now in this case, what is it going to be? So this is the product of reciprocals 2 minus j extending from 1 until j equal to 2 minus 1 is 1. So now we have p 2 minus 2 plus 1 is 1 minus p bar. Now plus product j equal to 1 until j equal to 0 of reciprocals. No, not reciprocals, directly the ratios 2 minus j. So now p 2 minus 1 plus 1 or negative 1 plus 1 is 0, 2 plus 0 is sub 2 minus p bar. Okay, so this result must be equal to 0, of course. It must be equal to 0 as suggested by the formula. Now, next, this was forward indexing method. Next, I can remove this one and just substitute. Now